Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to add groups in D2L. We're going to start by going up to Communication, and then from Communication, we are going to select Groups. So we have to set up categories for our groups to go into. So we're going to select New Category, and I like to do my categories by weeks. So this is going to be the week 1 discussion, and then each of the groups will be set up within that category. Okay, so then I'm just going to copy and paste some text to add a description. And then we need to set up how many groups we want in this category. So let's pretend like it's a large class and we want 5 groups, and we don't want any auto enrollments, meaning students cannot choose which group they go into. So we're going to have 5 groups. And then we want to go ahead and click Save at the bottom of the screen. Now that we have our category, let's go ahead and add some students to the groups. So we see our 5 groups that we've just created, and we are going to go ahead and go into Group 1. Once we're in Group 1, we want to enroll our users. So click on Enroll Users, and this is going to bring up your class list. So our class list only has our demo student on it. So we're going to go ahead and select our demo student and then select Save. And that is how you add students to the different groups. And we always want to confirm it by going in and selecting the group. And then we are going to go ahead and select View Enrollment. And we see that our demo student is now been added to Group 1. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial about how to add groups in D2L.